Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Ako nga pala ulit sila nagbabalik sa panibagong video o sa laro yung Dead Feed. Well, ang gumawa nitong ginato, I think is yung Silent Still. Well, napanood ko yung Silent Still, like, is siyang sleep paralysis na game. Like, bro, yung sleep paralysis na Silent Hill na game, sobrang tagal niya di makagalaw doon. Yung palang nakikita ko, like, yung mga jumpscare doon. Well, next time, lalaroin ko siya. Kung gusto nyo, comment kayo. Then, itong Dead Feed na to, I think, mag-go something tayo. I don't know. Kasi nabasa ko sa description, dalawa tayo ng kaibigan natin. Mag-go something tayo dito sa bahay o barn na to. So, yeah, bakit red yung feed? Like, bro, bakit yung F sa feed color red? Yan, freaks. So, ano pa iniintay natin? Laruin ko na siya. So, it's the time to play this game. Oh. Kaya nag-drive tayo ng sasakyan in the middle of nowhere. Mas maubusan tayo ng gas. I freaking told you to go left. There's no house here. Just cornfields. Bro, sabi sa'yo na, come on man. I'm a driver. Just trust me. I know we're heading the right way. Oo nga. Walang tiwala si driver, bro. Mas alam mo pa yung sarili mo sa nagde-drive. Like, sige, ikaw na lang magmanayaw. Bunggo ko to eh. See? We're finally here. What did I tell you, huh? Yeah, I see. Yeah, fine, but you're sure this place is safe? I mean, we don't know if there might be some homeless people inside. Well, siguro. I don't know, man. Let's just hope and pray it's safe in there. Let's get this stupid ghost hunting over with. Okay. Ghost hunting nga tayo. So, imposible wala nakatira dyan. Walang homeless people na nakatira dyan. Well, homeless spirit demon meron. Oh, yeah, ang ganda ng graphics niya. Options, left backwards, graphics. Yeah, I guess okay naman na. Close. Uy, tara na. I have a bad feeling about this, dude. Ito ba si Sam? Yeah. I have also bad feelings to you too. Like, look at you. Stop being such a wimp. Let's just record some footage and get the hell out of here as soon as possible. Of course, man. Alangan ako lang mag-isa. Nag-go something alangan. Bro, nagsayang lang ka ng oras pumunta dito tapos mag-go something kayo tapos ayaw niyo pumasok like takot kayong dalawa. Siyempre. Go something nga eh. Like that. Saka. Okay na. Ba't nakabukas yung bar? Yung barn. Go something tayo. Come on bro. Ang bagal ang putik. Oh, may shift. So, we can't turn off our complimentary horror game flashlight. Well, automatically. Man, this place is giving me the creeps. I've got goosebumps over. Bro, kung gusto mo mag-ghost hunting, like, syempre sa mga abandonadong bahay, alam naman sa mga mayamang, yeah, same here. Let's up our gear in the barn first before we start looking around. Okay. The barn. Let's go here. Okay, the barn over right here. Ba't nakabukas yung dalawang pinto? Bro, ang bagal niya. Natatakot siya. Murong ba itlog mo? Okay, I think here. Pwede ba tayo makit sa taas? Well, thank you, Yana, sa pag-like ng live. Oh, yo! This perfect place to set up the laptop. Well, how to set up. Bro, magigaming ka na lang, mag-stream ka ba? Yup! Wait, I think I left the equipment in the car. Can you grab them? Me? Or you? Alright, I'll be right back. Okay. Ito ba siya ba si Sam? Oh, tayo si Sam. So, may iwan siya dito. Check the car trunk. Well, I hope walang jump scare. Okay, may bakod. Tayo pwede dumaan dyan. Well, may mga abandoned car din. Pwede ba natin yung gamitin? Small man, nandito si ano eh, no? Texas Chainsaw. Oh yes, horror siya, horror game. Si Texas Chainsaw Massacre, like here. E to open. Okay, get that. E to pick up. E to close. See? Ganyan lang naman yun eh. Sam, hindi ba maubos yung gas natin dyan? I swear I'm never going to the Ethan again after this. Like seriously, what the hell are we doing here? Trying to mess with the ghost or what? Siyempre, tutuklasan nyo kung totoo ba nag-i-exist yung multo. Like, nag-ghost hunting ako eh. Like, huli nyo ba yung multo? I don't know. Saan yung... Oh, man. Hey, dude. I got the equipment. We can start. Wait. Where are you? Hello? Bro, stop messing around. Or else sasapakin kita. Ethan! Where the hell did you go? Stop messing around. Ah, dito siya. What the heck, bro? Okay, E to drop. I guess. Hey, you can come out now. Freak. Bro, nakakatakot. Ginagagi pa tayo ng kasama natin. What the heck, bro? Okay, go here. No, we can't. Ethan, I know you're up there. I can hear you, sucker. Nandito siya? Umakyat? Bro, nakakatakot. Like, okay, akit tayo sa taas. Like, bro. Man. Alam ko nagpuputol ka ng mukha. Hey, come out. This isn't the best time for jokes. Like, bro, nakakatakot. Ang creepy. Ethan. Nakalasing ko buto mo. Labas. Labas, Ethan. Labas. Come on, bro. Oh, man. I knew it was you. What the hell are you doing up? Oh, yun siya. Nagpakita na siya. Bro, kunin mo yung pasok na yan o yung bakal na yan. Let's get this done so we can go home already. Kunin mo yung bakal na pasok tapos hagis mo sa kanya oh. Damn it, Ethan. Are you deaf or what? Bingi-bingihan yan. Hoy, Ethan. Parang gagi ito. Sad boy ka ba? Hey, idiot. What are you doing up there? What? What the frick, bro? Ethan? What? How? Hoy! Wait lang! Bababa na kami! Okay! Sorry, na-istorbo ko ta. Baka sad boy ka ang ghost ka eh. Why the hell are you yelling my name? I just went to take a piece in the cornfield. Oh, umiilan pala siya. Wala ang baba. I thought I saw you standing there. Motionless. Am I tripping? Bro, namamalik mata ka lang. Well, I guess, yung ghost dito, like, kaya mag-mimic. Cut the crap. You're just scaring yourself. Get down and let's just finish setting up, okay? Like, sad boy yung multo. Nag-mimic siya. Ginaya niya si Ethan. Like, bro, come on. Parang nagpuputol sila ng puno. Like, dan sa sound na like, nagpuputol sila ng puno. Oh! Atakte ka. Ikaw yung kanina nakatayo ka, tignan mo. Like, for real, bro. Panot ang putik! Bro, panot ka ba? Kung nakikita nyo, like, bro, panot siya. Like, I guess, you're not Ethan. You're a mimic, bro. Hindi ka totoo. Doppelganger ka. I see. May panot. Walang panot si Ethan na kaibigan ko. Oh yeah, baka ito yung palatandaan na ikaw talaga si Ethan, yung kaibigan ko pag panot. I don't know. Oh! Tayo na si Ethan. All goods. Well, all goods now. I'll go inside. You stay here in the monitor at the cameras. So ito tayo. Oh, anong name ng laptop? Big? Yeah. Just make it fast. I don't want to go home ASAP. As long as possible. Di mo ba ibibigay sa akin complimentary horror game flashlight? Okay. Pick up the bag. And I'm going now. Stay safe here. Don't die, dude. I've got the car keys. You're not going anywhere. So wala ka bang complimentary horror game flashlight? Okay, we got the complimentary horror game flashlight. So, ako panot, ikaw kalbo. Yeah, I guess tayo lang papasok. Enter the house. Okay. Enter the house. Ayan yung house. Bro, wala ka bang shift? Like, komang ka ba? Okay, ko, I don't know. Okay, tayo lang papasok. Bro, ang tapang naman na Ethan. Di kagaya ni Sam na duwag na bading. Babag na yung itlog ni ni Sam. Bumahag yung itlog ni Sam. Alright, this is it. Okay, mag-ghost hunting tayo. Like, bro, while I'm playing this game, I feel like ako yung nag-ghost hunting. Like, tingnan mo yung graphics. Like, bro, pati yung flashlight. Like, pag inilaw ko yung mouse ko right here, yun, susundan niya. Like, bro, angas. This is so creepy. What the hell? Yan, tapang-tapang kaboy eh. Ayun, sasabi ka ng creepy. Okay. Nakabukas yung pinto. So, can I open this? No, we can't. Oh, man. Akit ba tayo sa taas? Okay, nag-ghost hunting tayo. No, we can't open that door. Kita ba dito sa ilalim? Well, oh. Okay, may lamp. I guess, may ilaw. Yeah, meron. Oh, isi-set up natin, I think. Yeah. Set up natin dito. Okay, set up. So, nag-set up tayo ng camera para mapanood ni Ethan kung anong ginagawa natin. Malay mo mamaya may ginagawa tayong kababalaghan. I mean, mapanood ni Sam kung anong ginagawa natin. Like, bro, may ginagawa tayong kababalaghan dito. Okay, we got the tripod, camera, radio. Dude, I already set up the equipment. So, may, ano to? EMP, scanner, I don't know. Tapos radio. Alright, position the camera. I'm booting up the laptop now. Okay. Okay, lalagay natin. Replace ba natin? Can we grab this? No, we can't. Okay, set up the cam. 1 out of 5. Okay, 1 right here. Bro, creepy. What the heck? So, I think ito yung mga beverages. I don't know. Like, ito ba yung kitchen area? Yeah, I think ito yung kitchen area. Bro, please, walang jump scare. Okay, 2 out of 5. Bro, kinakabahan ako. Okay, pinagpapawisan ulit yung kilikili ko, bro. I swear, pinagpapawisan. Pati yung utong ko. Sobrang takot. I don't know. So, yeah. Ito, I guess. Oh, isa sa taas? Oh, you mean dalawa? Bro, ba't parang may mila sa atin pa? Parang may mila sa atin pa baba. Ano to? Pinoy? Ano ka, Pinoy? Bahay ng Pinoy? May mila sa atin pa baba eh. Okay, bathroom. Okay. May blood stain, bro. Imposibleng. Literally, literally, may pinatay dito. Like, may ghost dito for sure. Like, bad spirit, bro. Tignan natin si Ed Kaluwag. Hindi nyo ba inimbitahan si Ed Kaluwag? Like, may naramdaman akong kakaiba dito, banda rito. So, may aircon. I don't know. So, the last camera. Yan. Think we're okay. That last one, I've set up all the cameras. You can check them now. Okay, may bloodstain din dito. Uy! Ay po, taragis na yan. Wait lang. So, wala ba tayong complementary horror game flashlight? Okay, I guess use. So, yun si Ethan, tayo si Sam. So, next. Okay. Next. Come on, come 3. Hey, ghosts, if you guys are real, give me a sign something. Or something. Like, bro, ang tapang niya ni Ethan. Like, bro, what if sapiang ka dyan? Nasa sa kanya pa naman yung car key. Like, habulin niya tayo kung sasapian siya. The heck, bro? Hey, Ethan, I don't think that's a good idea. That's a good idea, bro. Alam na pa, nag-ghost hunting. Hamunin mo yung multo, nasapian ka. Chill, man. Don't worry. Just watch the cameras and tell me if you see Dracula. Dracula. Freaking idiot. Just do your thing and get out of here. Okay, ito yung sa sa kitchen area. Sa may hagdan. Sa may hagdan. Sa kwarto. Kung sa may bloodstain. Tapos yung kay Ethan. Sabihin mo may kita tayo dito. Please, walang jump scare, bro. Please, please, please. May dumaan. Come to. What the freak, dude? I just saw something moves fast in the kitchen. Oh, really? Something fast, huh? That's Flash, bro. I swear, you idiot, I'm not lying. There's something there, dude. There's something there. Alright, fine, I'll check it out. Just keep watching. Okay. Huh? Please, walang jump scare, please. No. Okay, just keep watching. I saw something, someone there, huh? Ayun si Ethan, nasa ano na pala siya. Nah, there's no one here, just like I thought. Are you sure about what you saw? Yes, I'm sure. Like, di ako namalik mata. Yes, damn it. I believe me, dude. I know what I saw. Bagong itlog ni Sam no? Fine. Hey, ghost, come out now. Interact with this EMF meter if you want. Okay. What? Bro. Yo, what happened? Why is it my laptop turned off? Bro, no way. Ain't freaking way, bro. Turn E. Ito na nga lang yung coping mechanism natin eh. Okay, come on, bro. Yo, Ethan, the laptop won't turn on. I can see the feed. What the frick? Ethan, do you copy? Hello? Oh man, sinapian na isang kasama natin. Shemay. Lagi na lang to si kuya na ipaglaro sa demonyo. Siyempre. Hoy! Bro, Oh, what's that noise? Bro, sinarado nyo muna tong isang pinto ng bar na to. Hello? Turn on the laptop. Come on, turn on. Like, bro, ito na lang coping mechanism natin para di tayo matakot. Like, bro, come on. Di ko magawa yung high kicks ko. Like, yung ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Nah, bro. Please. Uy. What the freak? Hello? What the heck, bro? Ayun siya. Nakita ko siya. Ethan. Swing, that can't be the ghost, right? No, I'm freak. Hello. Oh, hello, Miss Ma'am. Don't look at her, Sam. It disappear when you not look at it. Okay. Bro, kung nakikita nyo, ayun siya, nakatayo. He was standing there, bro. Nagme-menace siya. Menacingly. Okay. Not look. Mas bilang jumpscare no? Bro, trauma ako dun sa larong bahay. I don't know, yung Filipino game. Na bahay kubo. Yung tindahan ni Lola. Tindahan ata. I don't know. Ayun pa rin siya. Like, come on, bro. Okay, don't look. Look. Don't look. Look. Don't look. Look. Bro, wala ka bang complimentary horror game flashlight? But ring light, pwede ka ba tumayo tapos iharap mo yung ring light doon? Like, can do your own thing. Let me do my own thing. Frick, bro, di ako makapag-coping mechanism. Oh, naglaho siya. Ah, nawala. Ah! What the frick? Hey, leave me alone. Bro, tumayo ka na. Anong ba yan? Nakaupo ka lang. Leave me alone. Bro. Ethan, freaking answer. We need to get out of this place right now. Like, bro, please. Bro, stop. Okay, okay. We got a complimentary horror game flashlight like nandun siya kanina. Guess walang tao sa taas. I hope walang tao, bro. Okay. Hello, Sam. Do you hear me? Hello? Oh, man, tayo naman si Ethan. Break, bro. Kung ako yung mag-go, dude, do you copy? Damn it, that idiot's probably hiding in the car. What a scaredy cat. Bro, tinalunan siya ng multo. Lalaglag yung multo sa kanya. Alright, ghost. Let's finish this bullshit. Show yourself if you can go home already. Like, gusto niya may mapatunayan siya. Like, ipopost niya sa social media, sa YouTube, ghost hunting. Ghost project. I mean, I guess this is the best ghost project, I guess, na gawin ng mga DPWH. Oh, yo, Sam, cut it out. I know you hear me. The EMF finally pick up a reading. Okay. Oh. Sam, freaking pussy. Fine, I'll do it myself. Tayo ka na dyan. Tayo! Ah, man. Is a spirit box? Turn on the spirit box, E. Talk to spirit box. Hello?
Hey Ethan, I don't think that's a good idea. That's a good idea, bro. Alam na pa nag-go hunting. Amunin mo yung
What the frick? Hello? Bro, Bisaya man. Ako din Bisaya man ako dong. Right, no way, bro.
Ethan, do you copy?
Si Sam.
Oh man, sinapian na isang kasama natin.
What? What? Sinapian na isang kasama natin. Bro, dalawa lang tayo. Hello? Ano yun? Oh. Yun yung record ng sinapian. Sabi bumagsak yung multo. Hello? Hello? Hey, Sam. Come on. Oh, I can hear voices. Nagja-jamming sila. Bro. Ang creepy naman. Huh? Nagre-red ba? Yung makita, what the heck? Come on, dude. Hello. What that's a...
Bro,
No way, bro, no way. Ain't no way. Please, get out of here. Talon ka na dyan sa bintana. Bro, pag may ganyan nagpaparam... Oh man, stand up. Okay. Katapang-tapangan lang tayo at this moment. Hello? Who's there? Sam? Bro, old pictures. Walang... Hello? Hindi ako nandito para may pag-away. Well, talong ka na dyan sa bintana. Like, may nagpaparamdam na, bro. Pwede ka saktan yan. Saan yun? Sa taas? You mean here? Wait, it's unlocked now. Huh? Ano nangyayari? Thank you, Princess Scarlett Ibarra, sa pag-like ng live. Bro, hindi na lang nagko-control. Like, scene na ba to? Oh, hindi. Oh, bro, hindi ako nagko-control. I think scene to. Like, scene. Bro, tumatay balahibo ko. What the heck, bro? What the hell, bro? What happened? My body hurts. Wait, the feed. Bro, tinalunan ka lang ng multo. Tinalunan ka lang ng multo. Turn on, turn off. Bro, turn on. Check the feed. Sit on it. Okay. Oh, bro, no way. Check the feed. Ito may Ethan, where the heck are you? Bro, dito may gumapang eh. Come on, answer me. We need to get out of here. Bro, sinapian na si Ethan. Bro, ang creepy. I swear. Hello? Ethan? Wowie. Hello, Jelly. Ethan, come out! Oh, bro, there are you. Ethan, come on, let's go. Hey, thank you, Jelly, sa pag-send ng heart me. Late na ako. Ayan, late ka na. Kanina pa ako nag-start, alas 12. Ethan, what? Do you hear me? What's wrong with you? Bro, sinapian na. Dude, I'm coming in to get you. Wait for me. Screw this ghost hunting. Pero nandun siya sa Cam 5, I think. Yeah, sa taas siya. Okay, we got the complimentary horror game flashlight again. Enter the house. Can we climb up? Like, bro, dito yung multo bumagsak eh. Nag-ready kasi ako for online class eh. Anong game yan? Dead Feed. Like, dead, tas feed. F-E-E-D. Anong game niya? Nag-ready ka for online class? May online class lang kayo? Buti di face-to-face. So yeah, i-check natin. Ghost hunting to. Like, enough for ghost hunting, bro. Let's go. Mga pine cone. Cornfield, like, andito siya. I feel like, andito siya. If tama. Okay, enter, open the door. Oh, man. Ethan, I'm here. Kunin ba natin yung cam? Like, pwede tayo umalis. This is freaking creepy. Oh, sa taas pala siya, no? Yan, cam. Ano dito? Hindi, nagbukas ng pinto. Wait lang. Bro, naka-chain? Oh, hell no, bro. Hey lang. Si Ethan nasa taas. Bro, ang creepy naman. Wait lang. Okay, yung cam. May umila sa ating pababa. Pinoy ba siya? I don't know. Okay, may blood stain. What the freak, bro? What the he happened to you? Bro, stop. He. What the freak, bro? Oh, no. Bro, he do the Michael Jackson, bro. What the heck? What the Yeah, what the happened to you? Namay mo na ako dito habang wala pang link na namin sa OC. Ayun, bro. What the Come on, bro. What the happened to you? Wait lang. Iwan muna kita dyan. Well, I guess may hanapin ako. Oh, bro, nakalock. Well, I guess, saan tayo pupunta? Dito ba? Kailangan natin yung chain cutter. Mas bila na nakababa na si Ethan eh, no? Ah, hindi siya nakababa. Kailan nasa taas siya. So, I guess, Ethan! I hope may chain cutter dito sa CR. Pamputol ng tayong matigas. Ay, Ethan. Bro, hindi natin mabuksan yung pinto. Ito lang yung tanging front door. Well, I guess, papasapit tayo sa kanya. Bro, ang bagal niya umakyat. Bro, si Ethan. Hihi! Si Ethan, hihi! What the hihi happened to you? Like, I guess, may tayo magtago sa CR. Nah, bro, we're doomed, we're cooked! Nangyari dyan kay Ethan, di ko rin alam. Huh, Ethan? What is happening? Pick up the bolt cutter. Oh, may bolt cutter na. Agad? Bro, naka-open na yung pinto. Please. Naway walang jump scare, please. Oh, man, nasa taas! Bro, saan na si Ethan? Sinapian siya. Sinapian na yun si Ethan. Bro, ang bagal pag aakit ng hagdan, like... Oh, man. May umila ba sa ating pababa? May Pinoy ba dito? Wala naman eh. Okay, may bolt cutter. Yeah, told you. May gumagamit ng bolt cutter banda rito. Like, pag matigas yung tae. Totoo naman eh. I guess dito na tayo pupunta. Bro, iiwan natin si Ethan. Okay. Cut that chain, bro. What the? Ba't may mga kamukha? May mga kamukha sa Ethan. May kamukha rin ako. What's up, kuya? Hello, Kier. Bro, iwan mo na yun. Ang mag-abiligins pa yung pababa. Mag-abiligins. Bro, look at. Who's that car? Is there someone outside? Tingnan na si Ethan sa sasakyan. I have a bad feeling about this dude. Please. Then stop being a wimp. Let's just record. Oh! What the heck? Kami yun nung una. May pasok pero walang teacher check. Kami yun nung una. Like, dun yung simula namin, like, nandun kami, nag-usapan kami ni Ethan, tas ako, si Sam. Nag-uusap kami dalawa na aalis na kami dito. Like, bro, stop ghost hunting. Like, ito yung start to. Kung titignan nyo, like, bro, I think na-trap sila sa time loop. I don't know if may curse sila. Like, may curse sila. May curse na nangyari dito sa dead feed na to, dito sa feed na to, or sa bahay, o sa barn. Like, yung multo, tinrap sila, like, kala ko, hihi. Kala ko nga rin, like, yung multo, tinrap sila dun sa, dito sa lugar na to, sa dead feed, and also dun sa bahay, sa barn, I don't know, like, may curse na sila, like, may time loop. Like, kung titignan nyo nung una, kung papanoorin nyo nung una, like, andun kami, nagsimula kami dun, bumaba kami sa sakyan, like, bro, time loop, ang galing! Ang ganda ng game na to, what the heck? Like, ang ganda, like, ang gulo din, at the same time. So, yun lang, maraming salamat sa panonood, and yeah, yung dead feed, like, bro, it's kinda, you know, like, ghost hunting sila and na-stuck sila sa loop, I think, yung, like, ganun nga nangyari, like, yung curse ng ghost nung nandun sa bahay, I don't know, if, like, niligaw na sila, tinikba lang, like, urban legends dito sa Pilipinas, yeah, so I think, yun yung game, like, I don't know, para may Pinoy na nagsalita eh, ewan ko, ako ata yun, like, yung voice ko, basta parang, yung curse, tas di ko alam kung ano nangyari dun kay Ethan, di ba tayo si Sam, like, sinapian si Ethan, tas yun nga, naraptan tayo sa loop, then yun, si Ethan, sinapian, and yeah, yun lang yun, I don't know. Pero magandang kwento, magandang graphics, I swear. So, yun lang, maraming salamat sa nanonood, huwag kalimutan mag-like and subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Maraming salamat sa inyo, kita tayo sa next video, bye bye.